When it comes to the focus that has now shifted to mainly challenge the bill that has been passed by the parliament in the Supreme Court. And here is Rahul Gandhi, who seems to be now raising the issue as well, saying that the Waqf bill apparently attacks the Muslims and now sets a precedent to target other communities in the future. It didn't take long for the RSS to turn its attention to Christians, and the Constitution is the only shield that protects our people from such attacks. And it is collectively the duty to defend, our duty to defend it. So here is Rahul Gandhi, who believes to be now furthering when it comes to the fear-mongering that has been done by certain opposition parties against the Waqf Amendment Bill, because according to him, he says that Muslims are now being targeted. Next could be the Christian minorities. And he is also slamming the RSS, saying that it didn't take long for the RSS to turn its attention towards the Christians, and now saying that the Constitution rather is the only way forward that shields and protects our people from such attacks, and it is our collective duty to defend it. So right from the Congress to the AIMIM and leader from the Aam Aadmi Party too have now meanwhile taken up the fight legally to the Supreme Court of India, as they want to challenge the constitutional validity over the bill, whether the Supreme Court will entertain such pleas even before the bill turns into an act. Meanwhile, the All India Muslim Personal Law Board has also sought time from the President of India to also take up their grievances over when it comes to the passage of the bill in Parliament. We have, when it comes to Arpita, who is connected with us right now. Arpita, the fear-mongering continues. Rahul Gandhi says that after Muslims, Christians would be the next target. However, his own leader from Kerala has raised his point of view, saying that Christians by the Congress party are being ignored and neglected.
Well, so this comes amid RSS mouthpiece organizer had claimed in its mouthpiece in the newspaper, they had claimed that it is not the Muslims but it is the Catholics who have the majority land in India. So he was responding to that mouthpiece, and he has now said that soon after now BJP will target the Christian community after it has already targeted Muslim community. But remember, in Idiki General Secretary, Congress General Secretary has now resigned from his post, saying that Congress is neglecting minority community, especially the Christian community. They have said that Congress is only supporting the Muslims from a long time, and Congress was known to be a secular party, but now it is not. It is not considered the same. They are only focusing on Muslim community, and now they are now neglecting Christian community. But here in Kerala, BJP and the Munnammam residents are celebrating the passing of the amendment bill, because they have been fighting for it since past few months, saying that their land belongs to them. It is not the Waqf board's land. So they were really hoping that the bill gets passed in the parliament. So now BJP and the Munnammam residents here are celebrating that victory. But on the other hand, Congress is saying this, and the RSS mouthpiece has come out saying that it is not a Muslim but it is the Catholic community who owns the majority land in India.
So saying that after Muslims it would be Catholics or Christians. Next is Rahul Gandhi. As far as the constitutional validity is something that is now being challenged in the court, and saying that it is the Constitution and the Supreme Court itself which will shield and protect the people from such attacks. Arpita, thank you very much for the moment.